To G3 Investors. This is Greg Gallagher. It's Sunday evening, August 30th, and I'm going to do an update on the S&P 500 Megaphone chart. Believe it or not, this chart, I did this video a couple weeks ago, I think, and it's changed already. And important thing is here, you have three peaks, okay, 1, 2, and I'm guessing 3 is going to occur there. We don't know that, but by all counts, because the SPY here has made a new all-time high, what this basically tells me is that this drop here, which I thought was a bull market or a bear market, because I thought from this peak we were going to go lower, okay, and generate another lower low. We did not do that, so the bull market is still intact. And that tells me that probably I've got it out here going out to December 31st. It looks to me like we're going to hit 3,600 easily by the end of the year. But eventually, it also tells me, looking at the peaks or at the points on the low end of the Megaphone, 1, I've named them 4, 5, and 6, that when we eventually do correct, we're looking at going from 3,600 to 1,800. That's a 50% correction. So the correction, when and if it does happen, is just getting bigger, as shown by this Megaphone chart. Okay, well, that was a quick update. So just to show everybody, this is a long-term mountain view, if you will, of the S&P, or the SPY, which is the same as the S&P, or the SPX, which is the S&P 500. But this is going back to 1993, and we see here we're going up in our bull market, which ended right there in March of 2000. It went to a bear market, which ended right there. Looks like that was about September 30th, 2002. And we went sideways a little bit here, and then we went back up into another bull market, only to fall back into a bear market here in late 2008, 2009. And then from here, you can see we've just been in a bull market. We're just going up and up and up and up. Again, thinking that this peak was finally it, and that the pattern would complete itself, because this is a peak, and I thought that was the peak, and then this is a down, and I thought we were going to come back down here somewhere around a lot lower than this, but we've made a new peak. So there you go. That's just the way it is. I want to take a look at, let's go out and look at some other charts here real quick. Well, that's the same thing on the S&P 500 index. That's a 5-year look. I want to look at some of the stocks that have been moving the market that are in parabolic mode. Here's Apple. You can see the parabolic move in that one. All the big glams, Amazon, not quite as big a parabolic move there. Facebook, probably similar. Yeah. Nice little parabolic shift here. Microsoft. Yep. Nice little bit behind the other two, but coming right along. So the so-called Fang Man stocks are, really what's moved this market for the last 2-3 years here, and they're still continuing to do so. So if we take a look at the SPY here on a 6-month chart, we can see there's the move on that. Let's take a closer look at that. Let me put that on a 1-month chart. This is something really rare. You got the SPY 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row where the SPY made new all-time highs and new all-time closing highs. I don't believe I've been trading since 2009, and I don't believe I've ever seen anything like that. So that is amazing. All right. Wait a second here. I'd like to do a little bit of advertising. Here's the G3 trading results. We're up 76.4% through August 28th, 8.6% for the month, and 2.2%. Actually, we didn't do as good as the NASDAQ this month, but we did beat the S&P. So become a patron. You get early access to videos like this, setups that I see daily, comments and updates on the market throughout the day. Just copy this link in their browser and, sign up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on YouTube. And thanks for visiting with G3 Investors out of your busy day. This is Greg Gallagher saying good luck and good trading.